The government have extended the CBILS scheme to March the 31st, and there's also the bounce back loan where you can borrow up to £50,000 over 6 years, 2.5% interest rate, and pay nothing for the first 12 months. Why am I telling you all of this? Well, we're at Eurospark and Ryan has got a machine ready to go that you can own and you're not paying a penny for the first 12 months. So Ryan, tell me about this machine.
So this is the JM430 machine. It's a manual die sinker. Probably one of our most popular machine sizes. It's got over a metre a neck, so you can get large tools in there. The fuzzy logic control on there as well, which everyone I'm sure is familiar with now, and everyone loves it. So easy to operate. Anyone in engineering really could have a use for doing die sinking, making mould tools, sparking hard materials, getting sharp corners. All of it would apply. And this machine is less than £25,000 as well.
There you go. So you can have this machine in your machine shop. You're not paying a penny for the first year. Great deal, ready to go. So get in touch with Eurospark for more information.